students. In this video, I am going to show you how to size an image or an object. So in this case, I have an object, a picture that I downloaded from the internet. And the first thing I'm going to do is click on the middle of the image. And as soon as I click, then I got some special marks. Right here, this is a sizing handle, a diagonal sizing handle, rotate handle, and then this is a move handle, the four-headed one. I'll put it right on his tummy right there, and then I can move it. Okay, and if you happen to be in Word, this layout option lets you be able to float. I'm going to check a different one. We're going to go over this in more detail, but right now, then I can move it around with this is my sizing handle, moving handle. Okay, sizing handle, you can either come from the corners or from the sides or from the top or bottom. So the proper way to do it is from the corner, and it will keep the ratio aspect of the item. Okay, so it doesn't look funny. But if you take from the side, it distorts the image. If you take from the bottom, it distorts the image. So always grab from the corners and go down. It doesn't matter what corner. And then if you want to rotate it, you can use this and rotate it around. That's it.